Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and helpful tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to check your Bank of America credit card interest rate in 2025. If you're a Bank of America cardholder, understanding your interest rate is crucial because it directly impacts how much you'll pay on balances. Whether you're planning your finances or just curious, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your Bank of America online account set up. If you don't, head to the Bank of America website or app and create one. It's free and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Dashboard section. Here, you'll see a list of your accounts, including your credit card. Next, select your credit card from the list. This will take you to a detailed overview page. Look for the Account Details or Statement tab. That's where the magic happens. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Interest Rate, or APR, Annual Percentage Rate. This is the key information you're after. For 2025, Bank of America might have updated their interface, so if it's not immediately visible, check for a More Details button or use the search function within the app. Pro tip: your interest rate could vary based on factors like your credit score or promotional offers, so keep an eye on any changes. If you're on mobile, the Bank of America app makes this even easier. Just tap on your credit card and swipe to the details page. Once you've located your interest rate, take a moment to note it down or screenshot it for your records. Remember, this rate is what you'll be charged on unpaid balances, so paying off your card in full each month can help you avoid interest altogether. Wrapping this up, checking your interest rate is a simple way to stay on top of your finances in 2025. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.